In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Pomodoro timer in Notion. Easy and beginner-friendly. If you're new to the Pomodoro technique, it's a simple productivity method that cycles focused work with short breaks, typically 25 minutes on and 5 minutes off. Embedding a live timer right into your Notion page keeps everything in one place so you can stay on task without switching tabs. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page where you want the timer to live. This can be a personal dashboard, a project page, or even a notes page for a specific class or task. Any regular page works, and you can always move or duplicate it later if you change your setup. Click into an empty block and type /embed, then hit Enter. This creates an embed block, which is Notion's way of displaying content from other websites right inside your page. You'll see a prompt asking for a link. Now open your browser and go to a free online Pomodoro timer. A simple example is tomatotimer.com, but any reputable site with a share or embed link will do. The key is that it can run inside an embedded frame so it works smoothly within Notion. On the timer website, look for a share or embed option and copy the link it provides. Sometimes it's labeled Share, Copy URL, or Embed. Either way, you want the link that points to the live timer itself. Head back to Notion, paste that link into the embed block, and press Enter. Notion will load a preview and then display the timer directly on your page. If the site doesn't allow embedding, try a different timer link from the same service or a similar site that supports embeds. Once it appears, resize the embedded timer to fit your layout. Hover near the corners or edges to reveal the handles, then drag to make it wider or taller so the controls are easy to see. You can also position the block within your page like any other content to match your preferred workflow. If you want to keep things tidy, add a heading above the embed that says Pomodoro Timer. A clear label makes it easy to find at a glance, especially on busier pages or shared workspace dashboards. That's it. You've embedded a working Pomodoro timer into Notion. Start a session, focus during the work interval, take your short break, and repeat. This simple setup helps you manage energy, track sessions, and stay consistent without leaving your notes or tasks.